Data management steps. Data management involves a series of steps to ensure that data is collected, stored, organized, processed, and utilized effectively. Here are the key steps involved in data management. Data collection. The first step is to gather data from various sources, which can include databases, data feeds, sensors, surveys, or external APIs. This data can be in structured formats, such as databases and spreadsheets, or unstructured formats, such as text documents and multimedia files. Data storage. Once collected, the data needs to be stored in a secure and accessible manner. This can involve choosing an appropriate storage system or database technology based on factors like data volume, speed requirements, and scalability. Common options include relational databases, NoSQL databases, data warehouses, and data lakes. Data cleaning. Raw data often contains errors, inconsistencies, missing values, and outliers. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting or removing these issues to ensure the accuracy and quality of the data. Techniques like deduplication, data validation, and outlier detection are used to clean the data. Data integration. In many cases, data comes from multiple sources and needs to be combined to provide a comprehensive view. Data integration involves merging data from different sources and resolving any conflicts or inconsistencies. This step is crucial for creating a unified and coherent dataset. Data transformation. Data may need to be transformed into a different format or structure to facilitate analysis or meet specific requirements. This can involve aggregating, summarizing, normalizing, or encoding data. Transformations may be performed using tools like extract, transform, load, ETL, processes, or scripting languages. Data security and privacy. Data management also involves ensuring the security and privacy of the data. This includes implementing appropriate access controls, encryption, backup mechanisms, and adhering to relevant data protection regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, or industry-specific standards. Data governance. Data governance refers to the establishment of policies, processes, and standards for managing and using data. It involves defining data ownership, roles, responsibilities, and guidelines for data usage, data quality, and data lifecycle management. Data governance ensures that data is effectively managed and aligns with business objectives. Data analysis and exploration. After data is cleaned, integrated, and transformed, it can be analyzed and explored to gain insights and make informed decisions. This step involves using various data analysis techniques, such as statistical analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and data mining, to discover patterns, trends, correlations, or anomalies within the data. Data archiving and retention. Some data may no longer be actively used but still needs to be retained for legal, compliance, or historical purposes. Data archiving involves storing such data in a cost-effective and secure manner, ensuring it remains accessible when needed. Data maintenance and updates. Data management is an ongoing process, and it's important to regularly maintain and update the data. This includes monitoring data quality, updating data models and schemas, refreshing data feeds, and addressing any emerging data management issues. By following these steps, organizations can effectively manage their data assets, ensure data quality, and derive meaningful insights to support decision-making and drive business success.